Hey, what's up, wing holder? Sorry for late video, my friends. This is very urgent video because the wing coin target now. You can see this is time first target at 0.0044 US dollar. This is the first target of wing coin. Congratulations, my brother. Wing is moving very fastly and they give you a very good profit at the end of this month. I hope you just hold it for 1 month. I hope they make you millionaire. Absolutely, exactly. Wing is gone very fastly, my friend, and this time the wing rate has gone very fastly upward. So this is the first target. I hope they can hit it. What you say, can they hit it? If you say yes, they hit it, then please like this video and also subscribe this channel. Click the subscribe button for latest news and update. I updating you every hour. So this is the live price prediction of a wing coin, my brother. Let's get started to what's going on in the future. They're going up or they're going down. So let's get started. First of all, guys, if you can see here this time the last 24-hour charts, and they are going, there is no back dump. They are going just on only upward. So oh my goodness, you can see here the chart result as just on a straight, man. No back jump. You can see here this is the straight line and they take a very high jump. Sometimes they also take a very high jump, my brother, but the dump, if you can see here, they take a very small dump sometimes. So if we see this type the chart, then we understand today going up. Exactly, you can see here the dumps is very low. Here is just two dumps and three very big jumps. So I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket, my friend. My friend, they make you millionaire. Just hold it for 1 month. I hope they give you very good profit. Absolutely, they can cross our target easily. So wing is going very fastly in upcoming days, my brother. Let's see to what's going on in the last 1 hour. The last 1 hour chart is very important. Oh my goodness, my prediction is totally today going up in upcoming time. Please, my expectation is very good from wing coin. This time you can see here they change occur 4.08% going up. What a big chant. And the latest price as 0.001. They can hit the target as 0.0044. They can hit target very fast and just in a few days. And my friend, this is just a 5 days before target. You can see here in the first day, 5 days it got the target. They take, you can see here, and they easily hit it, my friend. So what you say, can they hit it? I hope they hit it, and my prediction is good from that. My prediction as to please in upcoming days they're going up. Please buy it, hold it, and wait for the good time for selling. Okay, this and then sell it at the end of this month. You just, and they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. So if you say that I am alright, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more this type information. I give you information. Also I give you very latest information, news, etc. Okay, so you just subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. Life is, take care.